All right. Hi, everyone. I'm doing a second part in this recording series around the new SAP SuccessFactors Enterprise Service Management. And so the last time I showed this as an employee seeking help, and they're looking to get their question answers or create a ticket because they're about to go out on parental leave, and how do they deal with this process? Now I'm logged into SuccessFactors, and once again, this tight integration. I'm going to come here from SuccessFactors and just go into Enterprise Service Management, and this is going to directly take me into this as the HR person that is responsible for working on one of these cases. And so in this case, I'm taken to a home page here. You know, you have your good afternoon, and then you have some specific information for the person working on this, right? In this case, my case summary here, I can see, hey, this is my work list. This is the things I need to work on. I can see if there's any unassigned cases. I can kind of work together with my team and see what's going on. So this really gives you that information about what's going on, not just with me, but kind of across the group as well. And so in this case, I'm going to expand this, and this is my work list, right? And so in this case, I have one. It's a ticket for this maternity leave. And I can open this up. I think one of the really cool things about this is I like this tab-based approach. I think people are used to this from browsers, how I can go back to my home page, or I can work on this case that I'm looking at. And so if you look at this, this is the maternity leave case that I showed in my previous video that was reported by Jeff Hill. And so now I'm assigned to this. And the cool thing is you'll see these little pencils right next to it, right? And so if I want to change the status, I can very quickly and easily do that, and it'll immediately kind of take effect there, right? And so I can, on the left side, see what this case is, who it's for, have some of the details, who it's assigned to, and then as I go down, I can take a look at like SLA standards and other things like that. Kind of going toward the middle part here, you can see that we have different workflow of how we want to kind of go about this, from information gathering to troubleshooting to signature to resolution. The other thing you'll be able to see is I can go in here and kind of click and view the different things, right? The descriptions we have here, we can communicate, we can see the involved parties, including if you wanted to have like more of a table view as well. And then I can even look at that form. So the form that we want everyone to have with the parental leave that I highlighted in my previous video, I can see, okay, now this is the estimated date of birth. Do we have everything we need? And what do we need to do here? Well, on the right side here, we have knowledge bases, but then it also has smart intelligence built in for similar cases. So I'll be able to kind of scroll as I'm troubleshooting this for this employee. I can find, hey, are there others? And so I have a knowledge base here that I can help work with. I can find similar cases and kind of work through this process of what we need to do. And so this just makes it really easy to kind of work through this all directly embedded in. And as the person responsible for this, I can also come in here and go into change mode and kind of look at it from that standpoint as well. And so if I wanted to, I can also communicate with the employee as well. And so I can create an email and kind of without having to go to a separate inbox or anything like that, just come here, quickly send an email, add attachments, kind of communicate back and forth. And the cool thing is this will be directly built into the workflow of what I'm already working with here with my case management. So really excited to see SuccessFactors continue to build this out, and look for more on this as time progresses. Thanks.